this is my second time of making this video. Why? Because my mind is like literally like a foggy and thinking about, okay, because of I am not making video past 2 weeks. And that's the reason I'm my mind not like comfortable with the camera again. But it's okay for now. I'm just wanting to you everybody to see this, like my whole 26 days, that whatever I did. And right now I'm going to tell you everything, that whatever issues and whatever things happening with me. And right now it's at 1:26 p.m. not p.m. a.m. at night. AM, I think. Okay, so at night, and this is 26 January. That means Republic Day for ours. So happy Republic Day, everybody. And yeah, it's okay for now. I am just literally saying with you everything. That is, from day one, I have just installed the React Native, that means Android Studio on my computer, on my Windows operating system. Okay, so I've installed just the operating system, and I'm thinking that okay, that everything is gonna do good with me, and I'm following an instructor on the time that just to downloading that Android Studio, and I've just installed it all Android Studio things with a chocolatey a package downloader that can help you to download Android SDK, Java version, and all those stuffs. And so yeah, the chocolatey hyphen happen like this. Okay, so and yeah, I've downloaded all, and after that I've just Android Studio is downloaded in my computer, and then I have to set up that all the env folders and all those tabs. It's okay, but I can set up that all those tabs, and after that my Android Studio is running well. But what happened is like my computer is too slower, and I was like everything is not working more better. So I have just taking more time to doing all the setups, and just running my Android app, literally. It's not website that you can just click to the open with live server and your website opens on a browser and you see that all. No way, it's not easy. So yeah, you have to go and run all those errors, like all those things happening with me bad because of my computer system is too low. That means I have only i3 third generation processor that is 12-year-old, and like 12-13-year-old, but that supports that run on Android Studio and all stuff without emulator. That means you cannot run emulator means a virtual phone that can be run on your computer. So yeah, it's not working, but it's okay. I have found that another stuff that is doing with ADB name package, that ADB that helped me to run Android Studio on my phone. And after that I've literally very confused with just running app on my phone, on my physical phone, on like sometime on my mind saying, oh bro, why not to run your simulator, why not to make a virtual phone and run on your computer. I was like, okay, I can do it. But other time I'm back on my mind, I have also the thing that is I don't want these. I just want to just run these things, run the app and just work with the app, and I just want to make apps, not with the Siney syndrome and not wanting to see that all the steps. I was like, okay. And then what happened after that, I've just found the ways to do it, and after that I'm going to searching a lot more on ChatGPT, on other YouTube videos, and then yeah, my app is like I plugged that this one that USB cable, and I'm just plugged with my computer, and I'm just connected with my phone, and just everything is running well. But that 25 minutes of like running of app on your phone that take 25 minutes at first, at first, whenever you're installing your app and making an app and wanting to run your app and see what is that app doing on your phone, that take 25 minutes of builds on terminal. You have to wait like this. Okay, 25 minutes. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh, that's the amazing, bro. You have to wait for 25 minutes, and yeah, after that you have it take very smooth to run your app like 1 to 2 minutes. And yeah, it's okay. That first time you have to give your 25 to 30 minutes, but for me it's like sometimes my things are broken and like I have to delete my folder again, and I'm just sometimes I'm using more AI, like okay, I'm going to do with a lot more things with AI, is like I'm going to do and this and that, whatever, that after that I forget that AI dumb, and then I have just fixed that all the issues, and then I'm literally doing very well. And the time when I'm doing is like 6 days along with like day and night, everything happening. Like I'm not going to sleep more. I just take 6 to 7 hours or maybe less than. So yeah, but what happened after that is I have literally builded that whole app and builded whole blocking app, that blocking my app, blocking Android mobile apps, and then that app is literally blocking every apps on the during of time as like, and then everything is working. My native module that I'm learning Kotlin on that time, I was like, Kotlin is easy, not maybe, but I'm just using the AI codes and all those stuffs. And let me summarize that all the part that after that day 15 I have literally built a whole app. That means just a blocking app that working very well, but I am literally frustrated with operating system, Windows operating system, literally. And then I've deleted everything on my computer, deleted everything. Why? Because of I wanted to install Linux operating system that you can see over here right now. This is the Linux logo. That is right now I'm on Linux operating system. You can see this is a Linux logo, and you can also see that time, or this is 1:09 a.m. at, okay, you can see this is 26 January, and also you can see over here that is 2026. Okay, so yeah, I've downloaded the Linux Mint XFCE. Yeah, that version I've downloaded for my computer, and that is literally working very well. It's like it feels like I'm using Mac OS. That means Apple laptops. Like amazing, bro. That's what I want. I want to feel this. Like this is very smooth. You can run the Linux. You can also download Linux Mint, but it like you have to delete everything from your computer. That means your Windows operating system and whatever file your computer have. That means you are gonna to download a new computer on your device, on your laptop. Like everything is gonna to delete. But yeah, you can also have the option to use it with the dual booting. You can also use the Android, the Windows operating system, and Linux as well on both same time. So yeah, you can. But for me, I just wanted to delete everything because of I don't wanting to just face more error, more issues, and more things. And also I've gone through the videos, a lot of YouTube videos. It's like I'm literally I'm just obsessed with everything. Like obsession doesn't mean anything. You have to do. It's like I'm just going to do that all, and then after I just fixes that whole issues, whole things, and I see the PewDiePie, that is a YouTuber that is very famous, and PewDiePie also using Linux and saying a lot more good good stuff that about that. So I'm saying, okay, why not? I don't know PewDiePie, but yeah, I see the PewDiePie also saying, and other players are also saying that PewDiePie is saying this. It's like other YouTube videos are saying that PewDiePie saying this is better and this and that. And after I watched a lot more, like see this. When I go to this topic, I just research a lot, and I see that people are downloading Linux Mint, and there are a lot more people are uploading videos about Linux operating systems, and there are people getting more views. So I'm thinking that getting more views, that means people are loving this operating system. So I've just downloaded it all, and that's not the reason that people are using it. My reason is I wanting something that is not take my more computer memory and provide me more better result, and then I forget that all, and then I found this after researching. I've downloaded this Linux, not because people are saying this to download, not because I've seen the one people saying, okay, you can download Linux Mint, okay, you can download this. No way, I've just gone through that process. Everybody need to go with the process, not just someone saying to do it. Someone saying to do it. No way. People are doing things because of they are seeing some problems. And then if they see some problems, they want you to solve it. And that's how things work. Not because people are saying that, oh, okay, Praveen, you can download this app, this thing, this is literally amazing. I'm not gonna to do it because I don't want it, bro. I'm just gonna to uh, see that whole cases, that what happened with this. I was like, okay, this happened. Okay, after that this, then this, then this. It's okay. Then I have to go. It's okay. I'm forgetting something. I don't care about 4 more things. 4 more things are dumbers. There's something matter. So, bro, after that, for now, I've just downloaded that whole Linux Mint FXXFCE version, and that is literally running well. And one more thing I wanted to say to you, everybody, that is, you have to do everything with the patience, because of without execution, nothing matter. And right now I'm not in the position that I say that, okay, I'm now I can build anything, like I can do this. Yeah, probably I can do it with AI, not with myself. I can do it with myself also, but it takes more time. So I have to take on a way where I can build anything, and also use the AI tool of all. It's like, forget about the BIOS right now. For now, I just wanted to you, everybody, to see this my whatever I will let through myself. No AI fluff. And I am literally saying this. I am gonna to provide everything. It's like, right now I've just literally frustrated with everything, and I'm also wanting to make a course about it. Like, it's maybe a course, or it's maybe, I'm thinking that I'm gonna to make a full roadmap, a full thing that is about Android app development, and not about iOS app development. But yeah, you can do it with Android, iOS also, because app market is literally amazing. If you can build an app and publish on some Play Store or App Store, and after that you can market it, and then you got your app gonna do popular, as like whatever happening. And there's a lot more people are doing, or some of the people are not sharing. There's a lot more use things happening. Every market is good. Web development also, like everything is good. For now, what I'm gonna say is share with you, that is whatever I built it. Let me show you. That is Android emulator that is running on my computer. But yeah, it's not more good, but it's handling amazing. And on Linux Mint, I'm just using this Android emulator. But you have to use your phone as well for tasting, for building things. You don't need to rely on just a Android emulator, okay? So you have to check with your phone as well. So let's see this. This is my whole code, and you see this is my phone. On virtual phone you can now see this. This is my app, which is looks like self OS. And this screen is flickering, this screen is flickering. You can see this light up and down. That mean, like, you can see over here that what happening. I was like, okay. And then you can see this is my app self OS, and this is looks like this. And you can swipe it, which is swipe like this, like this, like this, like this. And then at the end you have to continue. Okay, you have to continue like this. And when you continue this, you can see the try mode. And after that you can see this is, hey, the Praveen effect. Now you can see this your focus is on. And this is whatever I built it, and I just wanting you, that is amazing one, and then after that I just built this block section that looks like this. And this is kind of all those that is, I've just passed through these elements. And I was like, this is whole code which I've read it. I was like, doesn't matter to you that seeing the codes and all those stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that I'm doing something. I'm not just tinkering. I'm just not just thinking about more, because those people who thinks more, they may not get anything, because thinking doesn't mean anything. Thinking, that means you are overburdening your mind. Thinking and doing, that's one thing that can be helpful, and we have to do it. That's it. So I think this video is like, I am just like, I don't know, I'm making this video at night. Like, this is my first time, like, after 2 weeks I'm making a video that somehow that are frustrating, as like, people can't do a video about after 2 weeks. And at the first people are juggling, like, I don't know, like, I don't know whatever I'm saying, I don't know, literally I don't know. But yeah, it's okay. And I've literally changed a lot more things into my brain, into my things. And like, I'm doing it. And yeah, I'm also thinking about it all, about you all. It's like, I'm not a person who can just grind through themselves, grinding, and after that just getting things done, and not sharing to the world. That doesn't mean. This time is literally for building a community, for learning through just building, not just watching dumb tutorials. Tutorials are good. In that way, everything is good, but you have to act on. You have to act on something to get it. That's it. That's simple word, bro. You have to remember this. You you have to go and do it. Everything is good in that way, in their own way, but you have to go and do it. So yeah, it's okay for now, and I hope you have learned from me something, or maybe not. Just comment me below what you are doing. And do you really want to make an app? Do you also wanting to make apps? I'm not literally just saying that you can't do it and it's a harder thing, it's that and that. No way. I'm just saying you can, bro. You can. If your PC is not like me, so you can as well. Like, you can do it, bro. Literally, you can. So yeah, let's be I don't know. So bye. Let's go, and I'll see you tomorrow. And now I have to sleep, and I also need to reduce that all the dumber burdens, and I have to fix my sleep cycle and all those stuffs. Like, okay, and yeah, let's go.